The cat eye is always in fashion, but especially this season. Here's simple steps on how to get the look. You will need a shadow brush, neutral eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow, liquid eyeliner with a thin tip to give you more control, and black mascara. First, apply the neutral shadow to your eyelid. With your chin tilted slightly upward, start the line on the inner corner of the eye and follow the lash line. At the end of your lash line, extend the liner upward. Next, bring the line down into a small sideways V to create a thin tail and fill. For extra drama, line the bottom lashes with liner. If you've made any mistakes, clean up using concealer and a small brush. Now apply black mascara with a little extra at the corner lashes. For a fun evening look, add dark eyeshadow along the brow bone. For more beauty tips, visit iVillage.com.